Hi, I'm Dustin Lewis, co-owner of Create Realty Partners, powered by eXp Realty here in the Atlanta metro area.
And I'm Mitzi Marshall, Mulberry Street Mortgage, also here in Atlanta, Georgia.
We are thrilled to invite you to our new homebuyer event, BuyerCon 2024. BuyerCon is all about empowering homebuyers with the knowledge and confidence to navigate any real estate market. And big bonus, like any con, we're going to have a fantastic panel of some of our vendor friends and industry professionals.
Absolutely. Whether you're a first-time home buyer, you're looking to upgrade, or you're looking to step into the investment property market, we're going to have engaging opportunities for you to speak to our vendors and learn a lot. And we're going to have refreshments and snackies to keep you energized.
Mitzi and I both come from creative backgrounds and have a deep understanding of unique and multiple income streams. We've helped many artists, actors, those in the entertainment industry, and entrepreneurs become homeowners.
We're extremely excited about our panel. They're vendors that we love to work with and have used for many years.
Yeah, and they'll include closing attorneys, home warranty companies, insurance providers, inspectors, and more. Our goal is to provide you with the insight and confidence so you can make informed decisions, whether you're ready to buy now or anytime in the future. We're here to help.
I can help you get a game plan together and assist you with improving your credit score if that's something you need. Please join us on June 24th at the Thrive Acting Hive.
And depending on where you're watching this video, you can just click the link, check out our bios, or find our social media, and you can find the Eventbrite page there. We can't wait to see you at BuyerCon 2024, where you'll become empowered to become a homeowner.